Thank you so much for watching this makeup session. Today, your students will be working on decoding words that contain the sounds, the letters AR that says R. We have our sound spelling card ready for us today. This sound spelling card is going to say AR says R like artist. If you'd like to take a moment to go to Starfall and look for the AR lesson, you may pause the recording now and do that. You'll find that it's a good way to reinforce these skills. Go ahead and have your students say, AR says R like artist. All right, now we're going to make some AR words. I'm going to rearrange the letters, and as I make the words in R, I would like your student to say them and to write them down. So you will be pausing them in between each word. Okay, read this word and write it down. What is this word? Good. Art. Art. Let's add it to our list of words. We'll begin our list of words. Okay, what's our next word? Let's go ahead and make it. Have your student read it to you. We're going to add it to the art family. That is the word part. Part. Very good. All right, let's continue on just like that. I will be making words, and I would like your students to say what they are. That is correct. That is the word Bart. If you'd like to pause the recording and continue making these words on your own with your own cards, that would be fine. Or you can continue to work with me on here. Dart. Dart. All right, let's change the spellings. Let's try another pattern. Now we have Arn. That's the word barn. Let's take off the B sound and add the Y sound. What word do we have now? Did you say yarn? Yarn. Let's take off the N sound and add the D sound. What word do we have now? Did you say yard? Yard. Now practice reading these words with your student. Now take this concept of isolating the AR sounds. Remember, when you find the AR words in a word, you can in a sentence, you can underline it and point it out to your student, and then isolate it first so that you would say AR says R, R, Y, ard, yard, so that they are able to recognize it before they start reading it. If they recognize it before they start reading it, they're more likely to get it correct than if they were to say yard, yard. Have them isolate the sounds first, recognize it within the middle of the word before they start reading it. You will find in connection with this presentation, very short indeed, but in connection with this short presentation, you will find that there's a story that has an AR in it. So please take some time to read the car that goes too far. Go ahead and pause the recording and read the car that goes too far. And when you're reading it, feel free to do the same thing as I've said. Go ahead and underline all the AR words as you read it, and then read each word. If they get stuck on any of the other words, those are considered sight words, most likely, and go ahead and have them write it down on their word wall and practice them. After they have finished the car that goes too far, reading it with you, please unrecord or unpause the recording, and we'll do another activity together. All right, so here's the next activity. We're going to go ahead and have your students read the words along the side and point to the picture that matches the point to the picture that matches the word. So go ahead and have your students read the words here, pausing it, and then go ahead and complete the lesson. Go ahead and pause the recording, have them read the words, and point to the words that match. Okay, let's connect them. Let's match them up. The first word is bar. There's a candy bar. Then we have car, which looks like a little shoe to me. Then we have jar. Then we have scar. And then we have star. Okay, let's try it with the next one. Have your student read the words, please. Match them with the picture and pause the recording. Okay, I hope you've had a chance to do that now. Let's match the words with the pictures. We have bark. We have a bird called a lark. We have a check mark. And we have a donut, donut shark. And then a light spark. Okay, final list of words to practice. Go ahead and pause the recording. Read those words. And then reveal the words to your student so that they can match them up with the pictures. All right, let's match them up. Are you ready? We have cart. We have cart. We have a chart and a dart that you would throw. And this person is very smart. And then we have a chart. All right, for your next activity, this is what you will submit to me in order to make your attendance complete for today. Attached to this, again, you will find one more document, and this is a sorting document. It's an AR sorting document. Your student will read the words and cut them out and sort them by syllables. So not only will they be practicing counting syllables in Word, but they'll also be practicing reading and decoding AR words. So go ahead and complete the sorting activity and scan it or take a snapshot of it and email it to your teacher to prove that you've completed today's makeup session. If you have any questions, please talk to your intervention specialist teacher. And thank you so much for watching this recording. Have a fabulous day.